Hello students, welcome back. Students, in previous lecture we had discussed mole concept and we also studied what is 1 mole and in terms of particles 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number of particles, and then students we studied molar mass, etc. So students, let me quickly give you a recap of the topics which we had discussed in previous lectures. So we discussed molar mass. Now students, what is molar mass? Molar means corresponding to 1 mole. So this is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. Now students, if say the given substance is an element, then molar mass will be what? Equal to its gram atomic mass. Will be equal to its gram atomic mass, or we also call it 1 gram atom. Gram atomic mass is also called 1 gram atom. And students, suppose if the given substance is a compound that exists as discrete molecules, in that case molar mass will be equal to what? Gram molecular mass of that substance, or we call it 1 gram molecule. We also call gram molecular mass as 1 gram molecule. And suppose if the given substance is ionic compound, then we take what? The formula mass in grams, or we simply say it is gram formula mass. So this is, students, molar mass of the different types of substances. Now students, today we will start with molar volume. We will start with molar volume. Students, what is molar volume? So molar volume is what? It is volume. This is actually volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas. So molar volume is 1 mole of a gas. It can be any gas at standard temperature and pressure. That is, at what temperature? Standard conditions mein we take temperature 0 degree Celsius, that is 273 Kelvin, and pressure generally we take 1 atmosphere or 1 bar. So the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at STP is called molar volume. And students, let me tell you, the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at STP is 22.4 liters, or we say it is 22400 milliliters. So this is the molar volume. And students, this value comes from the application of Avogadro's law. So वो अभी मैं आपको बता देता हूँ that 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter. So this result is obtained from Avogadro's law. So now I'll tell you how to obtain this result. Students, earlier we studied that molar mass is what? Twice of vapor density of that gas. And now student, what is vapor density? Vapor density is actually density of that gas relative to hydrogen. So we say it is density of gas related to density of hydrogen under similar conditions, say at STP. So both are under similar conditions, that is STP. Now students, what is density? Density hota hai mass of mass per unit volume. So that is, it is mass of a unit volume. So we may write it as mass of, say that unit volume is 1 liter. So we write mass of 1 liter of, say, gas at STP relative to what? Mass of same volume 1 liter of hydrogen at STP. Now students, here we are taking hydrogen as what? A standard substance. Now because hydrogen is the lightest gas. So this will be mass of 1 liter of gas at STP. Now students, the mass of 1 liter of hydrogen at STP is 0.089 grams. So this is what? Mass of 1 liter of hydrogen, that is 0.089. Now students, when we divide 2 by 0.089, we get 22.4 approximately. So this is 22.4 times mass of 1 liter of gas at STP. Or we simply can write this is mass of 22.4 liters of gas at STP. So student, what is the molar mass? It is mass of. So finally students, we have concluded that molar mass of a substance, if it is a gaseous substance, is equal to the mass of 22.4 liters of gas at STP. And also students, molar mass corresponds to mass of how many moles? It corresponds to mass of 1 mole. So we now have a relation that 1 mole of a gas at STP has how much volume? 22.4 liters. So students, this volume 22.4 liters is called molar volume of the gas at STP. Now students, I will give you a summary of the mole concept. Mole in terms of particles, in terms of mass, in terms of volume. Now students, what is 1 mole? Now, for a substance in its elementary state, 1 mole is equal to the gram atomic mass of that element, and if the substance is a molecular compound, then it will be equal to what? Gram molecular mass. Now students, 1 mole, say, corresponds to this much mass, and this much mass contains how many elementary particles? It contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 elementary particles. That means in case of, say, element, it will be atoms. In case of molecule, it will be molecules. So we have 1 mole is equal to what? These many entities. And then students, we have just learned that 1 mole in terms of volume is how much? It is 22.4 liters of that gas at STP. So this is for a gaseous substance. And now students, all these are interrelated. How? See, 1 mole has how many, say, atoms? These many. And these many atoms weigh how much? Equal to gram atomic mass. Similarly, 1 mole of a, say, 1 mole molecules means how many molecules? These many. And these many molecules weigh how much? इतने molecules के mass को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Gram molecular mass. And students, one more thing, 1 mole is equal to what? 22.4 liters. And these many liters of gas at STP contain how many molecules? Say these many. And these many molecules weigh how much? This much. So the volume corresponding to this weight is equal to what? 22.4. And if the element is in gaseous state, then also we have this relationship. So that means all these terms, they relate through what? Mole. So 1 mole in terms of particles is equal to Avogadro number of entities. In terms of mass, it is either equal to gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. In terms of volume of a gas at STP, it is equal to 22.4 liter. Now students, I'll give you some very important points from mole concept. See students, first, we know that these many elementary particles, that means these many atoms or molecules, they correspond to how many moles? 1 mole. So how to find number of moles from a given number of say elementary particles? So students, it is very easy. Say from this 1 mole is equal to this, यहां से मैं एक रिजल्ट निकालता हूं. This is what? That 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 से atoms और molecules, कुछ भी हो सकता है, और molecules now correspond to how many moles? These correspond to 1 mole. So student, say if we have n number of atoms or n number of molecules, then how many moles will be there in this number? It will be simple. What? N upon, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, or simply we write n upon Avogadro's constant. So students, this is how we find the number of moles from a given number of atoms or molecules. So this is a very important result कि आपको अगर number of molecules पता है तो number of moles कितने होंगे, given number of molecules को आप Avogadro number से divide कर दो. Now students, similarly अगर आप अभी mole को volume से relate करेंगे, now from this, see now what, 22.4 liters of gas at STP corresponds to how many moles of that gas? 1 mole. So if the volume is V liters, then it corresponds to how many moles? It will be 1 divided by 22.4 into V. So that means किसी भी given volume में number of moles कितने होंगे? So students, so इसका मतलब number of moles, if volume is known, say V, so it is V divided by what? The molar volume, 22.4 liters. So this is how we find moles if volume is known. So ये था अगर molecules या atoms पता हो तो ये है जब आपको volume पता हो और आपको moles निकालने हैं. Now students, we have one more. Okay, weight से करते हैं. Say from this 1 mole in terms of weight. See, in terms of weight, 1 mole is equal to what? Molar weight of the substance. So we say that molar mass of the substance corresponds to the mass of how many moles? 1 mole. So any given weight, say W, say grams, would correspond to how many moles? Students, simple arithmetic, 1 divided by molecular mass of that substance into the given weight. So we will have these many moles. So from this we generalize what? Number of moles from given weight, या in given weight कितने होंगे? Given weight, that is W, upon molecular weight of that substance, and let that molecular weight be M. So student, this is how we find number of moles. So these three results are very important. This is the first one जिसमें हम moles को निकालेंगे from given number of atoms or molecules. This is, we find number of moles in a given volume. This is second result, and this is number of moles in any given weight of the substance. Now students, we will discuss some questions which will illustrate how to use mole concept in numerical problems. Students, I have two questions. First is, how many atoms are present in 52 atomic mass units or 52 units of unified mass of helium? And second is, how many atoms are present in 52 grams of helium? And atomic mass of helium is given as 4 AMU, here also 4 AMU. Now students, अगर आपका कॉन्सेप्ट से वीक है तो आपको लगेगा दोनों क्वेश्चंस में डिफरेंस क्या है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, डिफरेंस है, यहां पर आपको पूछा हाउ मेनी एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन 52 AMU, एंड हियर वी हैव हाउ मेनी एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन 52 ग्राम्स ऑफ हीलियम. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे करना है आपको? Students, what is atomic mass of helium given as 4 AMU? So if एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हीलियम, अगर हीलियम का एटॉमिक मास से 4 AMU है स्टूडेंट्स, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब मैंने आपको बताया था, व्हेन atomic mass is expressed in AMU, so by definition this means that an atom of helium is how many times heavier than 1/12 the mass of carbon atom? That is 4 times. So that means this is mass of how many atoms? This is mass of one atom. So 4 AMU actually is mass of one atom. So this is very important. So now students, we can easily calculate how many atoms are in 52 AMU, because 4 AMU of helium means how many atoms? 1. It is 1 atom of helium. So students, very easy. Therefore 52 AMU of helium has how many atoms? It will be 1/4 into 52 atoms. So how many atoms we have? Answer is 13 atoms. So this is first part. Now students, look here. Here the mass is given in grams. Now students, atomic mass of helium is what? 4 AMU, which means this is mass of one atom. Now students, what is gram atomic mass of helium? So from this we say gram atomic mass of helium. And students, when atomic mass is expressed in grams, we call it gram atomic mass. But now the main conceptual thing is, क्या ये भी एक ही एटम का मास है 4 ग्राम? नहीं students. When we express atomic mass in grams, I've told you this is mass of how many atoms? Actually student, grams में जब आप लिखते हैं, we call, now this is what? This is molar mass. ये अब molar mass है, that means ये 1 मोल हीलियम एटम्स का मास है, ये एक एटम का मास नहीं है. So students, अगर मैं लिखता हूं ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हीलियम 4 ग्राम, so this corresponds to what? This is mass of what? Avogadro number, that is Na atoms of helium, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of helium. So now we'll calculate how many atoms are in 52 grams. So how to solve this? Students, we know that 4 gram of helium contains how many atoms? Equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. So 52 ग्राम में कितने होंगे? It will be Avogadro number, that is, say Na लिख देता हूं, या चलो पूरा लिखते हैं हम. It is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 4 into 52 atoms. That is 13 4s are 52. So we have 13 into Avogadro number, that is Na. So this is the basic difference. So we have how many atoms? 13 times Avogadro number. So here we have how many atoms? Exactly 13. But here we have how many? 13 times Avogadro's constant. Now students, I'll give you some more questions. Students, so our next question is, calculate the mass of one molecule of water. Now student, ये क्वेश्चन भी मैंने इसलिए लिया क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ एक कॉमन मिस्टेक कर जाता है, लाइक 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर. सो वाटर का केमिकल फॉर्मूला H2O होता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स उसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास कितना होता है? हाइड्रोजन 2 है और हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास 1, ऑक्सीजन का 16, सो इट इज 18. नाउ 18 ग्राम, क्योंकि मुझे क्वेश्चन करना है कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ 1 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर इन ग्राम्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कई बार कि सोचते हैं 18 ग्राम बस हो गया, इतना ही है. बट स्टूडेंट्स मैंने पूछा है एक मॉलिक्यूल का मास कितना है. तो अगर इसको ग्राम में लिख रहा हूं मैं, तो ये एक मॉलिक्यूल का मास नहीं है. because we know that, आपको मैंने कहा था this is molar mass और molecular gram molecular mass है ना ये तो, and gram molecular mass is mass of what? It corresponds to mass of Avogadro number of molecules. It is not mass of one molecule. So मैं कह सकता हूं कि जो 18 ग्राम है ये एक मॉलिक्यूल का मास नहीं है, वो तो इतने मॉलिक्यूल्स का मास है. सो एक मॉलिक्यूल का मास आप कैसे निकालोगे? सो वी हैव नाउ Na number of molecules, that is Avogadro's constant, molecules of water. Weigh how much? उनका वेट कितना होगा? They weigh 18 ग्राम. सो एक मॉलिक्यूल कितना वे करेगा? इट इज 18 अपॉन एवोगेड्रो नंबर. सो आप एवोगेड्रो नंबर का वैल्यू पुट करके आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. बट स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आई एम गिविंग यू वन फॉर्मूला और अ शॉर्टकट दैट व्हेनेवर say mass of one molecule is to be calculated in grams, mass of one molecule, किसी भी सब्सटेंस के एक मॉलिक्यूल का मास निकालना हो तो फॉर्मूला बनता है आपका व्हाट इज 18, द मोलर मास ऑफ दैट कंपाउंड डिवाइडेड बाय एवोगेड्रोस नंबर. सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज अगर क्वेश्चन होता कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ से वन एटम, से यहां पर मैं वन एटम कर देता हूं और यहां पर वाटर की जगह से सिल्वर एलिमेंट लिख देता हूं, सिल्वर हुज एटॉमिक वेट इज 108. सो एक एटम का मास कितना होगा? उसमें भी स्टूडेंट आप यही करोगे, मास ऑफ वन एटम विल बी इक्वल टू द मोलर मास ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट. सिल्वर का मोलर मास 108 होता है, डिवाइडेड बाय एवोगेड्रोस नंबर, दैट इज 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So this will be the mass of one atom in grams. So this is very important student. जब भी आपको AMU में पूछा हो तो आपने कुछ नहीं करना है, क्योंकि AMU में तो आपका वो एक ही मॉलिक्यूल या एक ही एटम का मास. बट जब ग्राम्स में क्वेश्चन करना हो तो मास ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल is molar mass upon Avogadro's constant. Similarly, mass of one atom is molar mass upon Avogadro's constant. So this was our first question. Now student, next we have calculate the number of molecules in 5.6 liters of oxygen. So here volume is given and we have to find molecules. So student, mole concept का कोई भी क्वेश्चन moles के थ्रू ही होना चाहिए. So given volume से हम क्या करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में? मोल्स निकालेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स कैसे होगा? सी, मोल्स कैसे निकालते हैं? से n इज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. मैंने क्या कहा था? गिवन वॉल्यूम दैट इज 5.6 अपॉन द मोलर वॉल्यूम दैट इज 22.4 एंड दिस इज स्टूडेंट्स एग्जैक्टली 1/4. सो दैट इज वी हैव 0.25 मोल्स. अब स्टूडेंट आपको मोल्स नहीं मॉलिक्यूल्स निकालने हैं, बट देन हमें पता है एक मोल में कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं? एवोगेड्रो नंबर. So therefore number of molecules कितने होंगे? अब एक मोल में अगर एवोगेड्रो नंबर है तो आंसर होगा 0.25 इंटू, और एक मोल में कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं? इंटू एवोगेड्रोस नंबर. सो आप ये खुद मल्टीप्लाई कर लेना एवोगेड्रोस कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू पुट करके. सो दिस इज हाउ वी डू क्वेश्चंस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इन गिवन वेट. सो स्टूडेंट, इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करना है? हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? नाउ आपको यहां पर सीधा मोल्स ही निकालने हैं, वेट पता है. सो आई हैव गिवन यू फॉर्मूला. जब वेट दिया हो तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकालते हैं, गिवन वेट अपॉन द मोलर वेट ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस, लेट इट बी कैपिटल M. एंड व्हाट इज गिवन वेट ऑफ सब्सटेंस? इट इज 3.42. एंड स्टूडेंट, मोलर मास ऑफ सुक्रोज इट इज गिवन 342. सो वी हैव 1/100, दैट इज 0.01. So this is your answer. Next student, we have okay, calculate the volume occupied by these many molecules, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 21 molecules at STP. So here we have molecules. So student, again question को moles के through करेंगे. Given number of molecules upon Avogadro's number. गिवन कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 21 divided by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So we have what? So 10 raised to power minus 2. So we have these many moles. Now student, but हमें moles से वॉल्यूम निकालना है. So वॉल्यूम, अब एक मोल का वॉल्यूम कितना होता है 22.4 लीटर. So therefore वॉल्यूम कितना होगा, इतने मोल्स का, जितने मोल्स हैं इनटू एक मोल का वॉल्यूम 22.4 लीटर. So that is, it is 0.224 लीटर. So students, ये सब क्वेश्चंस में इसलिए दे रहा हूं so that आपको मोल कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई कैसे करना है ये पता चल जाए. Now student, we have last question, which is 5.6 liter of gas weighs 22.4 liter. Okay student, पहले 5.6 का वेट दिया है और मोलर मास यानी एक मोल का मास निकालना है. तो मैं ऐसा करता हूं, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 5.6 डिवाइडेड बाय 22.4 हो जाएगा. इट इज अगेन 1/4, दैट इज 0.25. सो मेरे पास इतने मोल्स हैं और इतने मोल्स का, सो 0.25 मोल्स का वेट दिया हुआ है. कितना है, इट इज गिवन एज 12 ग्राम. तो स्टूडेंट्स एक मोल का वेट कितना होगा, इट विल बी 12 divided by 0.25, which is 12. This will be 25 into 100, that is 4. So it is 12 into 4, students, 48 grams. And students, एक मोल का मास है तो we call it what, molecular mass or molar mass in grams. So this is the molar mass of X, which is 48. Now students, just keep practicing more questions so that you get to know that mole concept एक बहुत easy concept है. दो difficult लगता है but जितना apply करोगे उतना easy लगेगा. Now students, this is all for today. Thank you.